this video, I'll be talking about an equilibrium problem showing you how to write a shorthand icebox for a reversible chemical reaction, also how to simplify a complicated mathematical problem using a graphical calculator, and last not least, I will show you how to calculate the equilibrium concentrations for all species in a chemical reaction. I will use the reaction for the formation of gaseous hydrogen fluoride from hydrogen and fluoride. To simplify the calculations of this reversible reaction, I will use the icebox method, showing the initial concentration of these three species, H2, F2, and HF, then the change in the concentrations to reach equilibrium. Finally, showing the equilibrium concentrations as equilibrium expressions. In a particular experiment, assume that 2 molar from each species present initially. Let X equal the number of moles per liter of H2 consumed to reach equilibrium. The stoichiometry of the reaction shows that X molar F2 also will be consumed and 2X molar HF will be formed. Now equilibrium concentrations can be expressed in terms of X by adding the initial and change for each species. Let us remember the equilibrium expression using the following general parts of a chemical equation. Equilibrium expression is written this way. It contains the equilibrium concentration for each species involved in the chemical reaction raised to its coefficient. Assume that the reaction for the formation of hydrogen fluoride has an equilibrium constant 1.15 times 10 power 2. To solve for X, use the equilibrium concentrations into the equilibrium expression. But don't forget to use each coefficient as a power for each equilibrium concentration. To solve the following mathematical equation and solve for X, you need to use a graphical calculator. And the one I recommend is Casio FX9860. To find the value of X on the calculator, press Option, then F4, then F5 key. Copy-paste the above expression. To type equal sign, press Shift, then the decimal key. To type X sign, press alpha, then plus key. Then press EXE key. Finally, press Exit key to see the solution of X. For this equation, I got two values for X. You need to choose a valid solution. To choose a valid answer for X, choose a value that is less than initial concentration. Initial concentration is 2 molar, and on the calculator we got two values for X, 1.528, which is less than 2, and 2.68, which is greater than 2. Definitely I will choose the first value, 1.5. Go back to the icebox and use the expressions at equilibrium to find the concentrations of all species at equilibrium. If X value is 1.5, substitute for X in the following expressions to find the equilibrium concentrations for all species H2, F2, and HF.